Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I am going to show you how you can make your cell phone screen visible to your desktop or your laptop. Okay, for that I'm using this Linux machine, and I'll be just guiding you how you can install this on Windows, but we'll be basically executing this code on our Linux machine. For this you need this ADB tool called Android Debug Breeze. Okay, so let me just copy this and paste it on my terminal. So you need to install this, and you need an internet connection for that. Okay, so sudo apt install android tools adb, which is basically Android Debug Breeze. Okay, so let me just press enter, and it's showing me like the following packages are already installed. Okay, so I have already installed this, and you will be just installing this, and after this you need this package. Okay, so you need this ffmpeg. You will have to install this also. So it's also showing me that it's already in newest version and is already installed in my PC. Okay, so after this you just need to execute this command adb install shell screen record. Okay, so you just copy it. I will be just putting this in the description box. From there you can just copy this and run it on your terminal. So yeah, I've just executed this command, and let me just check is it going to show my cell phone on screen or not. So for that, let me just check if any device is connected to this. So for this you just need to type this command like adb device. Okay, adb devices. So yeah, adb devices. Okay, so it's showing like one device is connected, and you need to connect it using your USB cable. Okay, so for that you will have to connect your cell phone with your laptop or your PC with the USB cable, and you must be connected with the same internet connection. Okay, you must be using the same internet connection, you must be at the same Wi-Fi. Okay, so you can see my laptop screen is you can see the screen on my laptop. Okay, so let me just play execute certain, show you the interface of my cell phone. Okay, so this is the interface of my cell phone, and you can see it easily. So let me just type anything on the Chrome. Okay, so you see this is the website of Worldometer, and now here I can play a game. You can do anything you want. Okay, so this is what you will have to do. For Windows user, let me just show you a blog from where you can just copy this. Like you can see here, they have given the description of how you can install it on the Windows. So you need to install this adb zip file from there, and you will have to extract this, and you will have to not run it using your command prompt, but basically you will have to use your PowerShell. Okay, you can just open it using your PowerShell and run the command as same as I'm doing it on my Linux machine. Okay, so you will have to allow your debug basically. So let me just show you. For this what you will have to do is basically you will have to enable your developer mode. Okay, so you can just do it from your developer option is already enabled in my cell phone. So you will have to enable your developer mode. Okay, and then you can see your screen on your laptop or your PC. Okay, so I hope you got what I'm trying to say. Thank you.